Some senators opposed the idea of Senator Bato de la Rosa leading the parallel investigation into the controversial war on drugs. What is de la Rosa's reaction to this? Let's find out in this report.
Should the Senate let Senator Bato de la Rosa lead the possible parallel investigation into the drug war? The chair of the Senate Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs earlier proposed a probe into the program that he previously led as the Philippine National Police Chief. For Senator Risa Ontiveros, the Senate Committee of the Whole should investigate the drug war. Under this, the investigation is presided over by the Senate President and not by the committee chair. Senate President Chis Escudero also advised De La Rosa to refrain from leading the probe.
Mas maganda siguro kung hindi sila mismo ang manguna ng komite yun para walang aligasyon na ito'y personal at hindi impartial at hindi fair. Yun ang haharapin namin siguro sa mga susunod na araw.
In an interview with Storycon, De La Rosa did not oppose the proposals of his colleagues.
Wala akong problema dyan. Okay ako doon. If talagang questionin nila yung aking motopropyo investigation na suspended investigation doon sa PDLX, then pag-usapan namin.
But for Senator Amy Marcos, the drug war cases should be brought to the court instead.
Nag-propose nga na magkaroon ng Senate investigation, kinakabahan ako na masabihan na self-serving. Tapos mag-uumpugan lang kami ng ulo ng Congress. Dali na natin sa korte kapag sapat na. Let's bring it to court so that hindi masabihan that it is partisan or self-serving or otherwise untruthful.
Marcos added that authorities are capable enough to handle the cases.
DOJ is competent at this point to make a case with the help of CIDG, with the help of the NBI. Perhaps prosecution is in order. Ang tagal na eh. At alam naman natin as cases linger, the evidence grows cold and the testimonies become stale and the witnesses disappear. So, kinakailangan dalian na talaga.
For News 5, Ria Fernandez, We Are One News.
Yun. Ano mo naman kasi, yung sinasabi ko, hindi mo pwede maimbestigahan yung sarili mo eh. Ang personality in question kasi is si Senator Bato, who is supposedly daw the chief architect of Oplan Tokhang. And nabanggit yung name niya sa Quadcom committee hearing a number of times. And
plus, you will always hear him say yung loyalty niya 100% kay former President.
So parang it defeats the purpose of having an impartial hearing. Kasi you came out in the open already.
May bahid yan, kahit ano pang sabihin mo.
Kahit sabihin mo naman ibang hearing may bahid din, pero at least most of them don't come out in the open sa start pa lang ng hearing at sinasabi nila may bahid na sila. Oo. May parang hindi pa nagsisimula.
So ang maaaring mangyari dyan, if they really want to probe it, as a whole sila. Or yung Justice Committee.
Or maganda rin suggestion ni Senator Amy, dali na natin sa korte. Diba? Kung ano yung finding ng Quadcom, padala nyo sa DOJ, file appropriate cases, meron. Which, dinidinig naman ng DOJ eh. Three levels of cases ang dinidinig nila.
Pero ang maganda dyan, di ba, ang sabi nila, Senator Bongo, tsaka Senator Bato, ay imbitahan daw ata sila, sinabi ba nila, nabanggit kung iimbitahan ba
si PRRD.
What if biglang pumunta doon? Doon magsasalita, hindi sa Congress.
O di padala na rin nila si Garma. Nagharap sila ni PRRD. Tingnan natin kung iyak si Colonel Garma.
Oo, diba? So, ano mangyayari? Pero yun nga, yung sinasabi nga ni Senator Risa Ontiveros, ganun din, no? Echoed by the Senate President, na po pwede yun, na kung mag-hearing sila about this, yung drug war probe.
They will not share the committee daw.
Ano lang, ang tawag dito, as a whole.
As a whole.
Or pwede yung sa Justice
si
Committee.
SB Cheese, mas madaming options available.
Sino ba chair pag Justice Committee? Si pro tempore ba si Jinggoy or si
I don't remember but we have to check.
Pero definitely hindi po pwede yung sa committee ni Senator Bato de la Rosa kasi 'di ba nga pinag-uusapan natin to few days ago.
Pero mag-uusap pa daw sila sa weekend.
They're out of town parang self-serving na parang conflict of interest din siya, hindi din maganda. Paano mo tatanungin yung sarili mo, 'di ba? Kasama ka doon, imbestigahan mo yung sarili mo. Pero hindi naman ata maganda 'yun.